level. Keep it on the level. Keep it on the level. I'm climbing up the.
Hey guys, Nathan here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get an auto clicker. This can click up to around 200 clicks a second. So first of all, you want to go to Google, search up OP auto clicker, and click this one. After you download it, you can just go through the steps and it will bring you to here. So what you want to do, time to click 0, clicking interval 1, you want to do left click or whatever you want. Triple click is usually the best, and mouse cursor is what I do. So F1 is to start, right? So when you go to like a cookie clicker, yeah, you can click F1 and look, you can even hear it. You can see how fast it's clicking. So yeah, this is just a short video of how to get an auto clicker on any Windows PC. So if you like the video, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you next time.